Well, hi everyone. Today we have another sneak peek from Lexi Loo's Cover Minders. So if you want to see what's inside this package, you need to stick around and watch this video. First of all, I would like to say a massive big welcome to all my new subscribers. And thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. It really does help me a lot, and I appreciate you so much. To my returning Sparkle family, welcome back. I have my Pooh Bear cup. This is part 2 of our Lexi Loo Cover Minder sneak peek. If you haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe. Hit the notification bell and select all. Leave me a comment down below letting me know that you are new, and I'll welcome you into the Sparkle family. Also, give this video a massive big thumbs up. We're on our road to 500, guys. Once I hit 500, I will be doing a giveaway. So you want to be subscribed to be in on that giveaway. Also, please make sure your channel is on public. If it is on private, unfortunately, I can't see you and I will not be able to enter you into the giveaway. Now, without further ado, let's get into Lexi Loo's sneak peek. Now, when you get her orders, they will come in this poly mailer and it will have her sticker on the back, and it is protected with the bubble wrap inside. So let's get in and see. Look at her new stickers. Aren't they so cute? Now, the reason her name is Lexi Loo's is because she has a little chihuahua and her name is Lexi. So I am now an affiliate with Lexi Loo Cover Minders, and they are on Facebook. They are an Australian little small business. She hasn't been around for too long, but she asked me if I would be an affiliate for her. And I said, of course, because, you know, us Aussies need to stick together. So I said, why not? Let's do it. So she wraps everything up so beautifully. You get such gorgeous tissue paper. I'd love to know where she gets it from. It is so cute. And we have her sticker on the bag that everything comes in. So let's have a look and see. So I'll leave the link for her Facebook group down below. Kylie is such a beautiful lady. We have become such good friends in a short amount of time. I mean, we chat daily. She's such a lovely lady. Now, this is what you'll always get with her. So you'll get little freebies, which I save them for my granddaughters because I know they'll use them for something. And here are our little sneak peek that she's done for me. Oops, everything is coming off. Hang on a sec, guys. These magnets, I'm telling you, are so strong. They are so strong. If you hear that music in the background, that is because I'm doing some laundry. And my load of washing has just finished. Okay, so let's check these little ones out. Oh my God, is this an axolotl? I think it is. Look how stinking cute it is. Look at that face. I'm sure that's an axolotl. It's so cute. My kids used to have axolotls when they were little. And then we've got a unicorn. I know my granddaughter, Kaya, who you've all met, she's going to want this one. Look how cute it is. Absolutely adorable. And then we have, now this one is kind of like wooden, I guess. And it is a little skull and roses. And it is so cute. And then, of course, you got your magnets on the back. And then we have, oh, this is so cute. If you're an 80s child, it's a cassette and it's got metal music on it, which she knows me so well because back in the 80s and 90s, I listened to a lot of metal. So that is so cute. I really like that one. Isn't that adorable? And there is your magnet on the back. Now, these are really, really strong, guys, and that she also puts them on this plastic to keep them protected. So I've got my little metal tray. Do yourself a favor and get one of these, because trust me, once you start purchasing from Lexi Loo, you're going to need one. Listen to how strong these magnets are. And they stick. Look at this. They stick so well. So what do you guys think of these? Let me know which one is your favorite. Is it the Axolotl? Is it the unicorn? Is it the skull and roses? Or is it the cassette? I have to say my favorite is the cassette. I think that is so cute. And the fact that it has metal written on it is absolutely gorgeous. And her cover minders are just amazing. As you know, you've seen my other videos, I have purchased quite a lot of cover minders from Kylie. When you purchase, you will get it packed with a lot of care. You will get a business card from her, which she now has business cards, and they are so cute. So it has her puppy on there. It says Lexi Loo Cover Minders. On the back, it will have her social details. It will also have her email address. So what I'll do is I'll leave the details down below in the description for her Facebook group. Please go join it. Let her know Kimmy sent you and that you saw it from my video. Now, she does do international shipping, guys. I only said shopping. She probably does. She does do international shipping. So if you live out of Australia, don't hesitate to order from her. She will let you know how much the shipping will cost. It's not that expensive, guys. And we really need to support our Aussie small businesses, because if we don't support them, they're not going to stick around. And we need to keep our Aussie support alive and support these small businesses. So please go and say hi to her. Let her know that I sent you, that you have seen so many of her cover minders on my channel already. I will drop the prices for these on screen when I show each one, so you know how much they are. But I think they are so cute. The magnets are the strongest magnets, I tell you now, guys. I've purchased some from Temu and things like that, and the magnets are nowhere near as strong as what these ones are. So wherever she's getting her magnets from, they are amazing. Sometimes you'll get a free gift with her as well, and it is a little Chihuahua keyring. Now the reason I'm re-showing this is because of the other one that I did, the other unboxing I did for her, and this came with it. You will also get some stickers as well. Now you may not get moose, but she will give you some stickers. Usually she packs 3, but I got 4, so I feel very, very special. Thank you so much, Kylie. And of course they come in a bag like this. Sometimes they will come in a bag like this as well, so you can keep them all together. But do yourself a favor, guys, get yourself one of these trays. I got this from Salvation Army. I got 2 for $2, so they're not expensive. So go thrift shopping, op shopping, wherever you are in the world. We call it thrift shopping here in Australia. Americans call it op shopping. No, sorry, it's the other way around. We call it op shopping, they call it thrift shopping. My bad. But and then you'll also get some of these as well, which she'll throw in just as a little thank you. So yeah, do yourself a favor, go check her out. You'll be so happy with what you purchase from her. So if you haven't yet guys, if you haven't yet subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and make sure you select all, so that way you know when I upload my next video. Also, leave me a comment down below. Leave me a I think they have skulls. Leave me skulls and roses as the emoji this time, because I don't think they have cassettes. They definitely don't have axolotls. I don't know if they have unicorns. So leave me a skull and some roses to let me know that you have watched this video all the way through to the end. Share my channel with all your friends. We're on the road to 500, guys, and I can't wait for us to hit 500 because I'm so excited. There is going to be a giveaway, so please make sure you subscribe. It really does help me out there to get my channels out into the algorithm. Leave me a comment. Give this video a massive big thumbs up. So, well, my Sparkle family, this is all I have for you today. I know it is a shorter video, but I hope that you found it interesting all the same. Remember to keep the sparkle alive in your day, as it is guaranteed to make you smile. Much love and blessings to each and every single one of you. And I will leave the prices for everything up on screen and her details down below. So go and check her out. I'll also leave my Facebook group down in the description as well. Please come along and join. We have so much fun over there. So much love and blessings to each and every single one of you guys. And I'll see you all in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye.